Hi, I'm Will with Baird Foundation Repair. We know undertaking a major home repair isn't an easy decision. Sometimes you may be tempted to put off foundation repair because they tend to worsen very slowly, sometimes taking several years for a crack to grow just a few inches. But we found a similar pattern among our customers on why they ended up getting the work done sooner rather than later, and more importantly, why they were glad they did. Property value. For many people, the house they own is their single largest investment. Sometimes, protecting this investment requires addressing the underlying problem, causing cracked drywall, sticking windows, or uneven floors. Quality of life. An uneven floor or doors that won't open can be safety hazards around your home. Many homeowners are motivated to get their foundation fixed because they want to be safe in their own home. Peace of mind. Many homeowners don't want to worry about problems getting worse. Often, while we repair one part of their foundation, the homeowner may opt to have us put preventative measures in place so they never have to worry about foundation issues again. Now, on the other hand, some customers wait until the time feels right to get the repair done. But it's important to know that waiting ends up costing more because the problem gets worse. This is why we tell our customers that urgency matters. Whatever your reason for wanting the work done, you should know that the best time to fix foundation issues is now. That's because foundation problems don't get better with time, they get better with us. Call today to get your free, no obligation inspection scheduled.